Here's how to transfer files on Windows using Bluetooth. I'll be demonstrating this method using Windows 11, but this method also works with Windows 10 and 8.1. So, go to the Start menu, type Settings, and press Enter. On the left, click Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure to turn on Bluetooth. Now go to your phone and open Bluetooth. Turn it on and make sure your Bluetooth device is discoverable. Then on your computer, click on Add Device. Then click on Bluetooth. It will show you your phone's name. Click on it. If you see the same number on both devices, that means these are both of your devices. So, click on Connect on both devices. Now your phone is paired with the Windows device. Now let's see how to send files. On Windows, go to the file that you want to send to the other device, then right-click on it, then show more options if you're using Windows 11. If you are using Windows 10, you will see this menu right away. Then click on Send to Bluetooth device. Choose your phone, then click on Next. Now in your phone, click Accept. And now it will send your file to the other device. Now let's receive a file from the other device to our Windows device. On Windows, in the bottom right corner of the screen, you will see this arrow. Click on it, then right-click on the Bluetooth icon. Click on Receive a file. Now on your Android device, go to your file manager for example, then share the file that you want to send. Choose Bluetooth, then choose your Windows computer. It will automatically start sending the file to the Windows device. After receiving the file, you will need to specify the location where you want to save the file. If, for example, you hit Cancel, it will not save the file and you will have to resend it again. So, click on Finish. Now your file is saved. If you want to send files much quicker than Bluetooth, then watch this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Peace.